Beside the gate was the first thing they wrote. Imo State government vacate within 7 days. They wrote this one. As they wrote this one, the second one, they left this place. The third one.
I don't know what I have done to Hope Uzodimma. Please, whoever that knows him should tell him to leave me alone. Because there is nothing I did to him.
Ndewo gị onye ọma na-ege ntị ma na-ekiri ekiri. Ebe nọ ugbu a bụ na sim.si ha asịrị FM. Onye gị na ya nọkwa taa bụ 042 Solex. Onye akụkọ ụwa. Mgbagere akụkọ nke anyị ji wee bịa taa. Aka wubere ụlọ ezumike nke ama dịka Seasons Hotel Owerri bụ Maazị Mike Ikeokwu ebeela arịrị n'oke olu n'ihi ihe nke ọ kọwara dịka agwa mmekpa ahụ bụ nke ọ sị na aka na-achị steeti Imo bụ gọvanọ Hope Uzodimma ji wee soro ya na nke ikpeazụ a. Anyị matara nke a site n'otu ihe onyonyo nke ya bụ nwoke zipụtara ebe a nọrọ wee kọwaa ka ndị ọrụ gọvanọ Hope Uzodimma na ndị ọrụ nchekwa dị iche iche si wee wuchie n'ụlọ oriri na nkwari ya nke ama dịka Mimi's Place ma nye ndị niile na-arụrụ ya ọrụ iwu ka ha si ebe ahụ wee pụọ n'ihi na ha kwuru na a ga-agbachirịrị ya bụ ebe n'ime mkpụrụ ụbọchị 7 na-abịa abịa. Dị ka o siri kwuo, ọ kọwara na onweghị akwụkwọ ikikere ọbụla nke mmadụ ji enwe ụlọ maọbụ nke eji eme azụmahịa ya na-enweghị ebe ahụ, ma gakwa n'iru wee kwuo na ya nwetara ala ebe ahụ mgbe gọvanọ Ikedi Ọhakim ka bụ aka na-achị ya bụ steeti Imo. Ya bụ Maazị Ikeokwu gakwara n'iru wee kwuo na ndị gọvanọ ole na ole achịala ya bụ steeti Imo kamgbe ahụ ma nwebeghị onye gọvanọ ọbụla kpasoro ya agwa mmekpa ahụ dịka nke gọvanọ Uzodimma na-akpaso ya ugbu a. Asịla na Solex si kama lere onyonyo ya.
Beside the gate was the first thing they wrote. Imo State government vacate within 7 days. They wrote this one. As they wrote this one, the second one, they left this place. The third one, I met them and I said, why are you writing this? They said, this building belongs to Governor Hope Uzodimma. And I said, is it the word that belongs to you? Because you wrote at the last extreme end that is for Bank of Idiots. They said, no, the whole property of this Mimi place belongs to Governor Hope Uzodimma. That governor wants to make use of this property, so we should evacuate it. And I said, but before you wrote vacate within 21 days, this property belongs to Bank of Industry. And we got a paper from the chairman through the court that this case is in the court. He said nothing concerning with this paper, that he has seen it, but nothing concerns it, that governor wants to make use of this property, that this property belongs to the governor. He said it to us. He met me and told me confidently, he said this property belongs to governor, that we should vacate it on 7 days, that they are coming here on Thursday to seal these premises. And I said, okay, can we talk to anybody? They said no, that's what they want to say, and they have done it, so we should vacate. And I said, where can we meet you? He didn't answer me. And I said, can I call the owner, let me inform you so I can see you and talk to you? He didn't answer me. But when Mr. Pascal came on Monday, Mr. Pascal said from this building to the last word there, that it belongs to governor, the government of Imo State, that he wants to see you, that is your friend, he used to come upstairs, that he wants to see you to bring the paper to his office to show that you are the owner of the property. If not, he come in peace. There after this one, anything that happen, we should take it. That's all. And he left. Today they didn't talk to us. They came with escorts, four e-logs with a lot of people. They didn't talk to anybody. They just wrote what they were right, and they said we should not cover it anymore. That if we cover it, if they come back, they'll seal this place. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Nigerians. I just want to bring to your attention what happened today at one of my business premises in Imo State. I just came back from Lagos, and as I arrived in Imo, one of the managers of my outlet, one of my businesses in Imo, called me to inform me that some members of the Hope Uzodimma's government, one of the agencies of government, came to my premises again today to write once again on the walls of my business premises that they should remove within 7 days. I know you people also remember some few months back, when this same government of Hope Uzodimma came with the detachment of the police, thugs and so on, and came to my business premises and destroyed my properties. It didn't end here. They also went to this same place and wrote remove under 28 days. My brothers and my sisters, I went to court because they were being lawless. I went to court and I got injunction against the government, and the case is, I think it's supposed to come up sometime this December or in January. But I'm surprised that they've gone once again today. And what baffles me most is that my staff who informed me about this told me that they said the person that came said that Uzodimma want to take over the place. That he wants to use the place for himself. It's just a laughing matter. You remember some time ago before the election when they also came and destroyed some part of my hotel and said they are going to create a road in the middle of the hotel. Remember, I cried to Imo people. I called you people to come for my rescue. It didn't end here again. I think some time ago, I received a threatening message from the members of APC and the agents of Uzodimma that they are going to kill me if I don't stop what I'm doing in Imo. My brothers and my sisters in Imo, I don't have anybody. I have you people as my brothers. I have people as my sisters. I don't know what I have done to Uzodimma. Please, whoever that knows him should tell him to leave me alone, because there is nothing I did to him. It's not a bad thing that a man like me, who suffered and toiled as a young man, came and brought all my investments to Imo State. This is not how to give me support or how to encourage people like me who have decided to take their business from outside and bring it home to empower their people, create jobs, that the jobs that they cannot create, that I have created. Yet, instead of giving us support, they are doing everything to destroy our businesses. It will not work, because I suffered and I toiled for years to make this thing, and I brought it. I don't come from a rich family. I'm from a very poor family. I made who I am. Nobody made me. So I suffered, I toiled, and while I toiled and brought back my business, the time I was suffering, hustling as a young man, I wonder what they use their own to do. Me that carried my own investment to Imo. Today, they are beginning to pursue me left, right, and center, doing everything humanly possible to destroy the business I toiled as a young man. I want to let them know, Imo people, help me tell them. Because anybody who does the same thing they are doing to me, they do it to Hope. Will he tolerate it? Why I ask this question is because I want those that know him to go and tell him to leave my business alone. Because I will not suffer as a young man, come out as I am now. He's my mate. We are in the same age bracket. I'm 56. He's somehow maybe above 60. We are in the same age bracket. I suffered for years to make who I am. And when I was suffering, and he was also doing the same thing. Igbo people should help me ask him. How many people did he give job? How many businesses did he bring back to Imo? Is that why he should now be looking for people like me who decided to bring our business to Imo to destroy it? Please, they should beg him for me. He should do the business of governance. He's the governor of Imo State. Yes, they said he won the election. Let him go and lead the state and leave other people to do their own. He can't do his own and do our own. I am an investor in this state. I've been in this state for over 30 years. When nobody believed in this state, I believed in this state. When people, all these people, these politicians, they never brought their business to Imo. I brought mine to Imo to create jobs for my people. You people should ask them, how many people have they given job before? Do they even know how to maintain or manage a successful business in their career? Have they done that before in their life? They have not. Most of them don't know what it takes to run a successful business. They don't know the difficulties we even go through in Imo today, because Imo is economically, Imo is dead. Every day they will be talking about foreign FDI, foreign direct investment coming to Imo. How can there be any foreign direct investment when the local direct investment is being killed by the policies of government? How can people come from outside to come and invest when they have seen that the ones locally there, the local businessmen, their businesses have been destroyed? No opportunity, no support. Even government policies, those that are making government policies are people that have never run any business in their life before. Please, my brothers and my sisters, please, you people should tell Oge Uzodimma and those agents of the government to leave Mike Ikoku alone. Because I am from Imo. I have no other place than Imo. And nobody is more Imo than all of us. I am from it. They should leave my business alone. They've done enough. They've ran a lot of businesses in Imo. We don't make profit again for the past 2-3 years. We don't. But we are managing to keep those businesses so that those are our brothers and sisters that we have engaged. We don't lay them off. They should stop forcing us to lay off all this, because if we lay them off, are they going to employ them? Do they even know how to employ these people? Please, Ndimo, my brothers and my sisters, I'm begging you people, come to my residence. I don't have any other person. You put it on Mike Ikoku. Come on, know my own business. Because politics. Everybody know Nimo. I don't get involved with all this nonsense with anybody. I don't even talk anyhow. People know me. I don't. For me to be speaking like this, they have threatened my life. They have threatened my business. They are even doing it. They are even they are threatening that they are going there by next week. This is the same place that was duly and legitimately allocated to me by Ike Hakim. Many governors has come and gone. Nobody went to that place because they know Mike Ikoku don't get involved in anything fraudulent. The land belongs to me. It was allocated to All Seasons Hotel. And it has been properly, everything that has to do with government fees and so on was properly paid. They destroyed my property. It's not enough for them. The matter is in court because I'm still claiming damages in the ones they destroyed. The ones that I also went to court. I got an injunction against them. They should respect the law. Those that make law should also respect the law. They shouldn't be lawless. They should meet me in court. So let us sort it out. Not coming to my place to come and treating my staff and tell my staff to pack out, that my staff should go out. So they should close down. If you people force me too much, I'll close this business and you people will go and rest. I'll close it and send all these people. Over 3,000 to 4,000 Imo sons and daughters are eating from me, directly or indirectly. How many of you have these people that you have given job? How many of you have come into Imo to come and invest like me? Why won't you allow me to rest? What is wrong with you people? You should allow me to rest. Allow me to do my business the way I don't hurt anybody. I don't have anything to do with anybody. I do my business legitimately and so on. Please, you people should leave me alone. You people, I'm calling on you people to come and help me. Because I don't have brother, I don't have sister. You are my brother, you are my sister. I depend on you people. They used to Nemo. You people should come and ask this man question. He should leave me alone. Do his business of governance. Let us do our business of business. Thank you very much.
Ọkụ ikirichala ya bụ ihe onyonyo. Onye ụwa gị onye na-egere akụkọ ụwa m, ịmarala ndị twice eme ya. Deere anyị ebumnuche gị, etisuo ahụ ya bụ ihe nke ikiriri ugbu a na ngalaba okwu ka anyị mara uche gị n'ihi na uche onye adịghị ya njọ. Daalụkwa gị onye na-eso eburu anyị esonye. Ekelekwa gị onye asị gị jide ka iji. Onye asị ya jide ka o ji, ịmara na nke o ji kacha mma. Gị ọta bụkwanụ mbụ ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo anyị. Asị gị nnọọ. Onye gị na aka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex. Onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ka m mere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne, biko ọ bụ na Facebook na Instagram ka ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow. Ọ bụ na YouTube ka ị na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m subscribe. Ya na mgbịrịgba anya n'akụkụ ka ị nwee ike na-enweta ihe onyonyo ndị ọzọ m ga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Ọ bụ na Twitter ka ị hụrụ ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow. Ọ bụ na TikTok itikere m follow ma atọ ọkụ ma Igbo ndị nwe m, Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ. Ekelekwa m unu wee na-asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma o. Ise ngwa tụsawara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-apịrị m aka na share button. Ya mara gị mma ezigbo mmadụ. Udo dịrị unu.